the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, the camera that's set to redefine what an APS-C mirrorless can do in 2026. If you're a wildlife shooter, a sports enthusiast, or just someone who loves pushing the limits of hybrid tech, stick around because what I'm about to reveal might just make you rethink your entire kit. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll be counting down the days until you can get your hands on one. Let's start with the buzz that's got everyone talking. Whispers started late last year, but now with fresh FCC filings and insider tips, it's clear. Canon is gearing up for something big. The original EOS R7 turned heads back in 2022 with its speedy autofocus and crop sensor smarts. But the Mark II, oh, it's leveling up in ways that could challenge even full-frame beasts. Picture this, a camera that combines pro-grade speed with everyday affordability. But how did we get here? Canon has been quietly iterating on their RF mount lineup, filling gaps between entry-level and flagship models. The R7 was a solid hit for enthusiasts, but feedback poured in: more resolution, better stabilization, insane burst rates. And Canon listened. Leaks from reliable sources like Canon Rumors and photo forums suggest the Mark II is their answer, timed perfectly for a 2026 launch to keep the momentum going after the R5 Mark II success. Now let's talk sensor, the heart of any camera. Rumors are pointing to a groundbreaking 40-megapixel stacked BSI APS-C sensor. That's right, 40MP. Compare that to the original R7's 32MP, and you're looking at a serious bump in detail. Why stacked? Because it means faster readout speeds, less rolling shutter, and better performance in tough conditions. Imagine cropping in on a distant subject without losing quality, or printing massive landscapes that pop with every pixel. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about stills. With stacking tech similar to what's in the R3 or Nikon Z9, expect video capabilities that punch way above its weight. We're talking potential 8K RAW recording, folks. Yes, 8K on an APS-C body. That means buttery smooth footage for vloggers, filmmakers, or anyone blending photo and video workflows. And with Canon's color science, your skin tones will look natural, your highlights won't blow out, and your edits will flow seamlessly in post. But speed is where this thing shines. Leaks hint at a blistering 40 frames per second burst rate with electronic shutter. 40. That's double the original R7's 20 frames per second mechanical limit. Pair that with Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, enhanced by AI subject detection that's rumored to be even smarter. Think birds in flight, athletes mid-jump, or even vehicles zipping by. The system could track eyes, faces, and bodies with uncanny accuracy, even in dim light down to minus 7.5 electron volts. Ever missed a shot because your camera hesitated? Not anymore. This Mark II is designed to anticipate your needs, locking focus faster than you can blink. And for those tricky scenarios, like shooting through foliage or crowds, the improved algorithms will separate your subject from the chaos. It's like having a co-pilot in your camera, ensuring you nail the moment every time. Stabilization? Buckle up. The original R7 had solid IBIS, but leaks suggest the Mark II cranks it to 8.5 stops. 8.5. That's flagship territory, meaning handheld shots at slower shutters without a tripod, wander through a forest at dusk, capture silky waterfalls, or film walking vlogs without the shakes. Combine that with Lens IS, and you're looking at up to 9 stops in some cases. For wildlife photographers chasing elusive animals, this means sharper images in low light, less noise from high ISOs, and more keepers in your library. But wait, there's a twist in the design. Sources say the body might be bulkier than the original. Think closer to the R6 or even R5 size. Why? To house better heat dissipation for those long 8K sessions or extended bursts. No more overheating mid-shoot. Plus, it could mean compatibility with pro grips, extending battery life for all-day adventures. Speaking of battery, expect improvements there too. The LPE6NH is likely sticking around, but with efficiency tweaks from the new processor, probably a Digic X variant, you could squeeze out more shots per charge. We're hearing rumors of over 500 shots in viewfinder mode, pushing 700 with the LCD. For event shooters or travelers, that's a game changer. No more frantic battery swaps during a wedding or hike. And the viewfinder? a high-res EVF with minimal blackout during bursts, so you stay immersed in the action. The rear screen might get a resolution